that share button. What I usually do, I copy the link right, go back up, hit Facebook, go to my page. Let me see what's on your mind, press right there, then you press and hold, look, boop, paste, boop, bam, and then post. And there it go, y'all. That's all I'm asking y'all to do. That's sharing, it's caring. That's a share. You can do that right now while ain't nobody racing. I'm just trying to show you how to do it, man. I know I got a couple people don't know how to work their phone that good. So I'm just showing you how. I'm trying to get my subscribers up. You don't mind, do you? Excuse me. As long as you don't mind. Or you can go put it in your favorite group. They got pizza there. I ain't seen no pizza. Somebody said they did something. Got 2 friends, 2 share. That's my problem. Okay. Little 5'3". Cam or no? Oh, it might got a little cam in it. Probably got one. That's an old motor with a what's that, 3/4 cam? It's still good. It just ain't compared to what we be. Let me try to wipe this screen off. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, that's how I can start wiping my screen off. We just went from HD to SD. Oh Lord. I'm finna come down here, man. Y'all hit the thumbs up, man. There we go. Everything good? Okay. Bam. I got people coming all the way from Australia. Look, I remember the dude that wanted your OnlyFans for free. Hey. Nothing much. Oh yeah, it didn't start feeling good out here now, y'all. Look at y'all. Hey y'all, if y'all want to see Rednecks with Paychecks uncensored, I got a phone number for you to send a screenshot of the Cash App to. Excuse me, you on my YouTube channel? Lookout Racing. You ain't heard it? I got a card and everything. I'm ready. I'll be out of Dallas, Texas. I got all the races. I got everything from man, I got everybody. Pro mods, everybody. I'll be all in Orlando. We be everywhere, miss. Okay. So you make sure you tell your friend. Who you with, miss?
Red Rum Racing.
Red Rum Racing. They be in Dallas, Texas anytime?
I'm going to Enos.
Oh, yeah, okay. I'm going to be there, too. Okay. I'll be flying the drone, doing the drone work. So y'all can check me out. I sure appreciate it. They with Red. She want another one. Hey, miss. What's your name, miss? Dana. Dana let me use her charger earlier, y'all. She was friendly and let me use her charger. It looked like I would have took it or something, but I brung it back, gave it to her like I said I would. She let me use the charger, y'all. Now y'all, miss, they think I got a private plane because my friend got a private plane. So which one would you do? Would you agree with them saying it's your private plane? Or would you check them every time like, no, that ain't mine? Which one would you do?
I wouldn't believe it.
You want, but they seen me riding in the plane earlier. I took a video, but they just think it's mine.
Well, if it's your friends, then it's your friends.
Okay, it's my friends, y'all. I'm trying to tell you, I can't afford what y'all think this is. Y'all know YouTube ain't paying like that, man. Oh yeah, thanks Dana. They told me, I forgot to tell you thank you one more time for the one time. She said you welcome, man. I sure appreciate it. Yeah, Rudy talking about the private plane, mine. Let me try him again just to hear him say now. Yeah, man, it's going down up here, man. Huh? What happened? God damn, I was just I was trying to see if you make sure you which one, under there? Oh, I see that. That little open. Okay, I'm gonna make sure you ain't watching when I do it. I done found the shortcut, y'all. They shouldn't have told me that.
This man's confident. You say, oh boy.
Nah, I ain't sleeping in no private plane tonight. That little old... Oh yeah, I done found me a way in, y'all. Y'all think I should go in there now? Nah, I'ma wait. Check out these small blocks and 350, see what they up to. Pull up to these. See what these small blocks talking about. Uh-oh, excuse me. Get lookout printed on the side of the plane. Yeah, I do need to get it. I'm gonna tell my partner. Yeah, man, let me put lookout on it. I started lying then saying it's mine. We put a lookout on it. Hey. Oh, they got no cuss words online, y'all. Hey, look, how you doing, mister? You on my YouTube channel? No. I just put you on there, man.
Am I?
Yeah.
Awesome.
They were talking about, who is that? They trying to see something.
Right.
Man, you been seeing them 350s out here and 5.3s? I've been looking at them. Some of them got ported this and ported that. Some of them just stock. You like yours stock or you want a little cam? You like a little?
He's gotta have a cam.
Yo, his gotta have a cam. Golly, I see a little cam now. A little cam. Oh, let me see your little thing. Okay, one time for the one time. Make sure you got it. Okay, I see you. Show me something else, man. I'll be looking. Let me see what you got. Okay. Oh, okay. You know something. Wait a minute. I'm finna go try that. Oh, yeah. Ooh-wee. Man, I'm finna get up there now. It's my turn or what? Is it my turn? Okay. I'm finna get the picture, man. Let me get a picture then. One time for the one time. You ready? Okay, I got one of them. One of them ought to be good. One of them ought to be a good picture. I got you. Hey, you on my YouTube channel, right? Lookout Racing. You know about it? That's my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. He said, is it? Yeah, make sure y'all subscribe. You gonna get them all on there, man? Cause I got a limited supply. I'm trying to work with these for the rest of the night. Got a limited supply. I'm having one a family now. Let's see where that little small block goes.